In this video, we'll see a winter special cake recipe that is strawberry vanilla cake. I'm calling it winter special because it's the season of strawberries. Let's get started. In a bowl, take half cup plus 2 tablespoon milk at room temperature. To that, add 4 tablespoon oil. Oil should be flavorless. I'm using extra light olive oil, it's not extra virgin. Now add half teaspoon vanilla essence or extract. I'm using extract which is natural. 3/4 cup powdered sugar. Give this a good mix. Now add 3 tablespoon milk powder. This will give your vanilla cake base a very nice taste. Now sift together 1 cup all-purpose flour or Maida, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon soda. Sift a little at a time and mix in the batter. Do not overmix or overbeat the batter. Do not beat it at all. You just need to mix it till you remove the lumps. This is very important. Just before adding it to the mold, which you have to do right away, add vinegar or lime juice. This will react with the soda and make the cake light and fluffy. Just mix it for 10 to 15 rounds and then immediately pour into your cake mold. For this recipe, you can use 6 or 6.5 inch cake mold. I prefer to line with butter paper, but you can also grease with oil. You can see the OTG or convection instructions on the screen, but I have preheated my Kadhai, my pan. You can use a Kadhai pan or pressure cooker. Put some salt, around half cup or depending on the size of your utensil. Place a stand, preheat it at medium flame. Now place the mold inside and for first 10 minutes bake at medium flame and then lower the flame and then bake for 35 to 40 minutes. Make sure you do not open the lid between, because I did that and I ended up getting a slight depression in the middle of the cake. So make sure you don't do that. After 35 to 40 minutes, if you feel that the cake is not done, just bake it a little longer. Over baking results in dry and hard cake. Now after your cake completely cools down, remove it from the mold and remove the butter paper if you are using butter paper. Now I'm just leveling the cake from top. If you do not want to do this, you can skip this step, but I like to do it. Now divide the cake into 2 or 3 layers depending on how much you are comfortable with. So I am dividing this into 3 layers. Now let's chop the strawberries. So here I've got 200 grams strawberries, fresh strawberries which I've washed really well. And now I'm going to chop these. So do not chop all the strawberries, so few chopped ones would go inside between the layers and on top for the decoration. And chop few strawberries vertically for the cake decoration, which we would see later. Now here I've got 1 cup whipping cream which is very cold and it is already sweetened. You need to beat the whipping cream till you get whipped cream of stiff peaks. Now take a cake board or your plate, anything which you would like to place your cake on, and then place the bottommost layer. And here I've got some simple sugar syrup, 4 tablespoon water plus 2 tablespoon sugar. You can just mix or you can just boil till the sugar melts in water, let it cool down and then use. Now first layer after the cake would be whipped cream. Spread it evenly and make a thin layer. Put some chopped strawberries. Use a spoon to press the strawberries inside the cream. Then repeat the same steps with the other layers of cake. This cake really turns out very moist and very delicious. Whipped cream and strawberry is an amazing combination. Here comes the top layer of the cake, which is actually the base of the cake. Bottommost layer of the cake which we had baked. It becomes very easy to get a nice plain surface. That is the reason I like to do this. Now apply cream all over the cake on the top as well as on the sides. I'm using an offset spatula and I forgot to shoot, but I have used a cake comb which I have done in many other cake recipes. And these are the vertical strawberry slices which I spoke about. Very easy decoration, you just need to press the slices against the cream. And now a few chopped strawberries on the top. Our simple yet beautiful cake is ready. Look at the beautiful piece of the cake. Very moist, and you can see how moist and beautiful it's looking, and it's equally tasty. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.